Hello, hello, hello. Good day. This week we'll be looking at the dictionary data type. Briefly, let's introduce dictionary. What's a dictionary? A dictionary is like a list, but it's not a list. In the list we have just item and elements, but in the dictionary we have an element be broken down into a key and the value itself. An element be broken down into a key and the value. But in dictionary we have the element as just the value. It has no key. It has no key, but it have by inbuilt method how we can get the item using the index. So a dictionary actually is like a list, but it's not a list. Now let me put it in a better way. A dictionary is a linked list. If you've done anything in computer science, when I teach about data structure, you hear a linked list. So dictionary is actually a linked list mapping a key to a value, mapping a key to a value. So that is what the concept of dictionary is all about. It's a linked list that maps a key to a value. Now, when we talk about keys in a dictionary, what actually are the keys? Now, uh, taking the physical dictionary, we see when we have the key, when you have A, for example, if A is a key, all the words that falls under A is become the values of that key A. So the key of a dictionary is like the index, it's like the index of a list. It's like the index of a list. But in this aspect, it's not the index of a list. It is given by the programmer. The key is assigned by the programmer. It's not assigned by the programming language. Then the values are those things that are assigned to the key. What we assign to the keys are the values. I will show you all this. Then we also have the items. Items in a dictionary comprises of the mapping between the key and the value. So when you use the items in a dictionary, what you have at the end is a tuple of the key and the value. So briefly, let's make some of these examples in dictionary. Let's first see how we can create a dictionary. So let's get started. Now, in creating a dictionary, I can call this data. I can either use data is equal to, I can use this. This curly braces is the Python shorthand, the Python keyboard for making a dictionary. Also, it is the Python keyboard shorthand for making a set, but we have to be very vigilant because in a dictionary, there's always a column. So we have what? We have, for example, we can have name, then we have what? The column, then we have what? The subject score. So we can have a score. This is just an example. We can have here score. So this is now a dictionary. Now, when we get to dictionary, this another way we can make a dictionary is actually using the keyword dict. So we can have data2 equals to dict, and we'll specify it. Now, what are we going to specify? I've told you how can use this. So dict is a new empty dictionary. That is a dictionary. Or if you don't want to do it a new empty dictionary, you make a mapping whereby you have the key and the value. You have the key and the value, or you make it an iterable. So you have you can use this in four ways. So when I use this, let me make it a mapping. In the first place, I have what? I have let me use this A, then also I'll have 1, 2, 3. I close it. Then okay, I'm having an error. What do you say? It's a dictionary of this sequence element. This has length 1 and 2 is required. So in this sense, I won't put it in a tuple. Sorry, I made two curly brackets there. The dictionary expected at most one argument, but got two arguments. Okay, I can fix this. I can fix this. Let me do this. I think have same thing. So let me do it this way first. Data two, the two equals to take. I'll make an empty dictionary. Then I'll make it data two. I'll make this which is what A, close it, equals to what 1, 2, 3. Then I can have my data. I have is a dictionary. I have data two. I also have it as a dictionary. So when you check the type of data and check the type of data two, you see that you have a dictionary, a dict. Now, this is just a way we can create a dictionary. This is a way we can create a dictionary. Now, let's look at the keys in a dictionary. So I have this dictionary, data tree is equal to, I have this, I have then put A, then A is mapped to 1. I use this, I make a B, second key is B and it's mapped to 2. I have another key C, okay, it's mapped to 3. Let me stop here. I have this as dictionary, then I do data 3 dot. I want to get the keys. Remember, what are the keys? The keys are A, B, C. So I will get the keys using what? Keys. Then I'll get my keys. If I want you to be in a list, all I have to do is I make the list, then I put my key there, then it becomes a list. Same thing goes if I want to get the values. If I want to get the values, the 1, the 2, the 3, I also do this. But in this case, it becomes what? Dot values. It becomes dot values. Then I have my 1, 2, 3. Good. Then if I want to get the items, remember I told you that items give you a tuple, a list of tuple. Then I'll do my list, which is data 3, the 3 dot items, and give me a list of tuple having the key, the value, the key, the value, the key, the value. So that is what we've seen in dictionary. Using dictionary, how we can create a dictionary, the keys of a dictionary, I'll get the keys, I can get the values of a dictionary. And let me tell you something. The key of a dictionary can only be either an integer, a string, or a tuple. A dictionary key cannot be a set. A dictionary key cannot be a list. A dictionary key cannot be a dictionary. Let me show you this. Let me show you this. I have, let me say A equals to, I'm creating a dictionary and I want the key to be a list. I put A, let me just do this, put A be mapped to 1. I have an error on hashable type. So it cannot actually be, but the value can be either a set, a dictionary. The value can be anything, but the key of a dictionary must be either an integer, as in this case, 1 be mapped to 100, or can be a string, or can be a tuple. So you see, also, the values of a dictionary can be any data type. It can be a dictionary, it can be a list, it can be an integer. The value of a dictionary does not have a restriction. But when it comes to the key of a dictionary, there is a restriction there. You don't have to use a list, you don't have to use a set, and you don't have to use a dictionary. Please, I will be stopping here because of time. I have a choice not to make more than 10 minutes video, and it's half past 10. Please do subscribe to the video and to the channel and react to our posts. Thank you very much. In the next video, we'll be looking at some things in the dictionary. Bye bye.